Michael, and just started drinking the water for about 3 weeks, and the psoriasis that I had been suffering for over 20 years was literally is almost gone now. So just 3 weeks of the water. Didn't even spray the water on my knee. Just drank the water for 3 weeks, and it's literally disappearing.
Can you show us some of the results?
So I have a before and after picture. So that's the before.
Can you go a little bit closer? Oh, wow.
Before and after in just 3 weeks.
3 weeks. And then is your knee better now?
Absolutely. It's even better than that.
Can you show us?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's even better than the picture.
Yep.
Wow.
So just 3 weeks of drinking the water. So it's been amazing. Even my wife as well. Her acne that she had been suffering for a long time. She's drank the water for 3 weeks, and it's completely gone.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Michael.
No problem.